the students of standard 10th, isn't it? Today we are going to conduct the lesson on wings of courage. Yesterday we have started a lesson, couple of passages we have discussed and learned, and today we are going to continue with the same lesson, that is on wings of courage, which gives us information about Air Force Marshal Arjan Singh. Okay, on page number 15, and here is the second last passage of today's video. Commenting his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, the defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjan Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm and unexcitable, but a very able leader. Now we know Yashwantrao Chauhan or Y.B. Chauhan, former defense minister of India. Somewhere he also wrote few lines about Arjan Singh, and person or Y.B. Chauhan, he wrote that Air Marshal Arjan Singh is a jewel of a person. He is known as a jewel like a person or jewel of a person, most precious and most valuable. Next is quite efficient and firm. Yes, while writing about Arjan Singh, Y.B. Chauhan, he also writes that person Arjan Singh, he is also an efficient person, he is a caliber person, and he is known as a well-determined person, one who remains strong at his every decision, unexcitable but a very able leader, isn't it? Means though he is known as a pilot, but he is known as a powerful, or he has the quality of leadership, and he is also known as very able leader according to Y.B. Chauhan. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against Japanese during the Arakan campaign. Now again it is common information that 1944 it was known as a year of Second World War, when the whole world was facing the problem of Second World War. Yes, in the 1944, Singh or Marshal Arjan Singh, he had led a squadron, a team of fighter planes against Japan somewhere in Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign. Not only against Japan, one more mission it was led and it was completed by Arjan Singh, and that mission was crucial Imphal mission. Next is he also assisted the Allied forces, Allied forces to Yangon. And Allied forces means the French nation, especially that was the concept, it was introduced before 1947 during the time of Second World War. Allied forces, the French nation were also supported by India, with the help of England, and during those days, Allied campaign, it was also supported with the help of Arjan Singh at Yangon or somewhere in Rangoon. In recognition of his fate, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, that is a DFC, on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. Now these are known as the missions which are successfully completed, isn't it, by Arjan Singh. Now by knowing or by noticing all that successful mission, somewhere he was awarded with a Distinguished Flying Cross, that is a DFC, and it was awarded on the spot by Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. Now more information about that award, that he was the first Indian pilot to receive it. Okay, that was known as the first Indian pilot who has received such type of honor by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. Singh was selected for Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force RAF Cranwell in 1938. Now these are known as the steps of success that he was achieving in his life. After this mission, he got the award, and he was the first Indian pilot for the DFC award. After that, he got a chance to go directly to England, somewhere in Cranwell. That is the most important post, or that is known as the most important institution where Royal Air Force it is active. Now Royal Air Force, it is known as the most precious and the most important institution for the pilot training, courses, and for the pilot training camp. Person Arjan Singh, he got a chance, and in the 1938 he was directly sent to England for the further education, or for the next education of his of his task or of his career. Yes, during those days he was just 19 years old. He retired from service in 1969. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Layalpur, now Faisalabad in Pakistan. He completed his education at Montgomery, now in Sahiwal in Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes in the northwestern frontier province as a member of the number 1 RIAF squadron. Alright, about his childhood, he was born on 15th April 1919 in Layalpur, which is right present in Pakistan. He also completed his education, yes, in Montgomery, Sahiwal, again in Pakistan. Yes, as he was recruited in Indian Air Force being as a pilot, he got his first assignment and that was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes. Alright, it is Wapiti biplanes means they are known as the old-fashioned aircraft or airplanes which were used by Indian Air Force during the time of wars. Now, as he was recruited, as he came in Air Force and when he became pilot, yes, that was his first assignment to fly a Westland Wapiti biplanes. Yes, and it was in the northwestern frontier province as the member of number 1 RIAF. Okay, RIAF, that is Royal Indian Air Force, isn't it? Means during those days, RIAF, they were improving the condition of Indian Air Force flight. Yes, during those days, they had invented or they had set up number 1 RIAF or number 1 squadron of Indian Air Force. Right, and after or in that year, as he became pilot, he got a chance to fly the Wapiti biplane, and that was his first assignment. He had successfully completed, and here his journey, being as a pilot, it gets started. Alright, up to here, once again, the more information about Arjun Singh tomorrow will continue. Yes, we'll try to complete in tomorrow's video. Thank you and have a nice day.